Hey all you mamas and papas. So I've created a really simple essentials list to help transition you from parenthood as smoothly as possible. Again, these are just kind of like the bare bones essentials list to begin with, and then I'll have a little list, just items you can add on over time. Now an essentials list is number one, diapers. Babies generally go through about 50 diapers a week, so whether you're using cloth or disposable, just be prepared. You're also going to need some Burp clothes as well as receiving blankets, clothing for your baby, feeding equipment, a medical kit for babies, a sleep setup for your baby, so either like a crib, a bassinet, cradle, or co-sleeper. Co-sleepers are great because it gives you just a little bit of space between your baby, but at the same time, it gives the baby great comfort when you're asleep and, beside mama or papa. Now, car seats are also, essentials for transporting your baby from the hospital. You're also going to need a stroller or baby carrier. Baby carriers are also amazing because you can literally stay close to your little one while also being preoccupied doing, the things you got to do. So these are the items you can always add. I'd still say they're in the essentials list, but I'll leave that up to you. So a rocker, glider, or nursing chair. This is so amazing for mamas. A nursing pillow, another thing that's really, really awesome to have. Diaper bags are kind of just like will last you, into the toddler years. A bouncy seat that vibrates and swings, or both, are absolutely amazing if you want to, keep up with your life and keep baby entertained. Now, a feeding chair is a little bit later on. However, a baby monitor is also awesome, sooner rather than later. Now, there's the changing table as well as baby detergent. Again, these were things you can add on, but I would definitely recommend as essentials. Now, one of your best friends as a parent is going to be a booger zapper with some saline. If you don't know little babies yet, you will find out that they have literally oodles of mucus. And that's whether they're sick or they're not. And just to give them that clear passage, I strongly suggest a booger zapper. There are a few that, you could use with a straw, but I would definitely recommend going for the big guns and just getting one with a battery in it. And there you go. There's your essentials list. Thanks so much.